In this video, I'm going to show you how to verify 1xBet account Philippines. So it will be very easy to do. Firstly, you will come and click on registration here, and now you will come and click by the inscription by email, which will be the full registration, where you will put all your personal information from here right up to the code the code of your country, which will be Philippines, where you will be choosing it. So you will also put the number of Philippines, and you will confirm by putting also your password right up to the promo code where you will enter BOTV, which will help you to get 300% of bonuses at your first deposit, meaning that by putting an amount of $10, for example, you will receive up to $30 because of it. And you will confirm the terms and conditions, privacy policy, and now click on register to continue. And when everything is set, you will come and click on menu. You will now come and click on your personal profile. You will enter details now, where you will verify if all your information that you have been put from here are correct. So by putting it all, be it from the first name, short name, and also now your region in Philippines, your city in Philippines, and the residence address where you are. Everything done now. You will now click on save, and you will see it right from here in personal information, and also verify your account where phone number is linked if you have done it, and your email and all the rest. And it is as simple as that.